Hello, I'm Matt Webster. Welcome to Top 5. These are the top 5 discipline mistakes new teachers make and how to fix them. This is mistake number 2, absolute zero. Problem: this happens when a teacher tells their class to be quiet, but then does not wait or require their students to actually achieve complete silence. Think of a scale from 0 to 10, with 10 being complete chaos and 0 being absolute silence. Unfortunately, many new teachers will settle for a quiet level of 2 or 3 when they've asked for silence. Without reaching absolute zero, students learn that mostly quiet is good enough. After a while, mostly quiet becomes sort of quiet, which eventually devolves into not quiet at all. It is a slippery slope that can lead to a lack of classroom control. Solution: if you desire complete silence, then require complete silence. Teach your students what absolute zero means and then wait for them to achieve it before you continue. Tell your students that when you say stop talking or pay attention or be quiet, it means absolute zero, and then demonstrate what that sounds like. Most importantly, do not settle for a 2 to a 3 or even a 1 or a 2 if you expect silence. Demand absolute zero.